Welcome to season 7 of Cook with Jake and Joy. We are super excited to bring you this season full of tips and twists and ways that you can add more plant-based eating into your life, really.
Yeah, we got Ethiopian food. We got stuff we've never tried before.
Mexican
We got really easy stuff. It's all awesome. Some funny bloopers, some funny mishaps, but it's all so fun. And I actually contributed a number of the recipes this season, which is.
And what's really cool to know about that is that Jake was not much of a cook before we started this show. She was kind of an assembler. Her husband's a great cook. But because she was doing this show, she started cooking more. And we hope that if you're watching this show just because it's entertaining, because it is, we're pretty damn funny. But if you're watching it, maybe you start to take on, we're a vegan and gluten-free show. And maybe you're not vegan or gluten-free, but if you had one day out of the week that you ate all plant-based, you would do as much good as never driving a car in terms of the carbon footprint that you left on the planet. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's really amazing. Yeah. Really amazing. Yeah, so you don't have to be a hardcore vegan or hardcore gluten-free, and you can also make changes to our recipes if you want to make them, but you want to add gluten or you want to do whatever. You can also do that as well. We just want to help people get more plants in an easy, really fun and delicious way.
It's funny that you say that because I look at recipes, and a lot of the recipes that we do,
you do the opposite.
They're not vegan and gluten-free, so I have to make them vegan and gluten-free. So it's really funny. If you want a challenge, take our recipes and make them not gluten-free and not vegan. And
that's what you want.
Yeah, and see how much you can mess them up. That'd be great. We'd love to hear from you. If you've got recipes that you'd like us to make, we'd be happy to do that. If you want to have recipes that you want us to try to figure out how to make them vegan and gluten-free, just write to us, and we'll be happy to accommodate. You can get in connection with us. You can get connected with us at jakeandjoy.com.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy this season.